Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Drop that packet of fried high-calorie chips and make these crispy, gluten-free, loaded with seeds and way more healthier lentil crackers at home, which you can store for a month. Start by washing pink masoor dal 3 to 4 times. Drain all the excess water and roast along with cloves of garlic until completely dry. Once cooled, transfer to a mixer jar and grind into a fine powder. Now add seeds of your choice along with salt, chili flakes, black pepper and baking powder. Then add oil and warm water to make a stiff dough. Press each portion as shown and bake. Your dal chips are ready to take in. This is a crispy, gluten-free and loaded with seed snack which can even control blood sugar levels. So let's make healthy besan papdi stick. Start by sifting gram flour and combine all the spices mentioned in caption along with chili flakes and oil. Optionally add baking powder and make stiff dough using hing water. Now finally chop pumpkin and sunflower seeds. Roll out the dough as thin as possible. Brush with water and sprinkle all the seeds on it. Now cut into sticks, bake until crispy and get ready to dig in. I know it's hard to believe, but these baked, crispy and gluten-free chakli is way more healthier than your packet snacks. Start by grating a potato. Now when water in a pan comes to simmer, add maize flour along with rice flour and all the spices mentioned in caption. Bring everything together, cover and rest for 5 minutes. Now add grated potatoes along with powder of mixed seeds and oil to form a very soft dough. Transfer it to a double piping bag and pipe on silicone mat just as shown. Now bake until crispy and enjoy. Just because winters make us hungry very often, let's make crispy, gluten-free and loaded with seeds moong dal crackers so that you can avoid high-calorie packet snacks. Start by washing yellow moong dal 3 to 4 times. Drain all the excess water and roast along with ginger and cloves of garlic until completely dried. Once cooled down, transfer to a mixer jar and grind into a fine powder. Now add all the seeds of your choice along with salt, chili flakes, crushed black pepper and baking powder. Then add oil and warm water as required to make a soft dough. Press each portion as shown and bake at 160 degrees until crispy. Your moong dal chips are ready. This is high time you stop eating packet snacks and make these baked and gluten-free broccoli and cheese crackers at home. Start by steaming broccoli for 7 to 8 minutes, then finely chop and combine rice flour, flaxseed powder and grated garlic along with all the spices mentioned in caption, crushed black pepper and cheddar cheese for protein. Make a soft dough and roll it out as thin as possible. Cut in any shape you like and bake. Your gluten-free broccoli chips are ready. This is a way better and healthier snack than any fried one. So let's make baked and crispy sweet potato fries. Start by peeling and chopping sweet potatoes, then steam them for about 10 to 12 minutes. Then mash them with a fork and combine rice flour along with all the spices mentioned in caption and melted butter. Make a very soft dough. Transfer to a piping bag and pipe just as shown on a silicone mat. Then bake for 30 to 40 minutes and enjoy. If you still don't think homemade and non-fried crispy snacks are better than store-bought, then these gluten-free almond crisps will change your mind. To make this healthier savory snack, start by combining almond flour along with lot of chia seeds and water. Rest this mixture for at least 15 minutes. Now add olive oil along with chili flakes, oregano and salt to taste to make a very soft dough. Roll it out as thin as possible for best results. Then cut into little squares, bake for 20 to 25 minutes and enjoy. Somehow, in almost all Indian households, chana dal is served during Diwali. But if you want to avoid deep frying, we are making healthier and roasted chana dal. Start by washing it 2 to 3 times, then add baking soda with hot water and soak for 3 to 4 hours. To make coriander masala, dehydrate fresh coriander and green chilies in microwave. Then grind it with citric acid, spices mentioned in caption and sugar to make a fine powder. Now pat dry soaked chana dal and bake for approx 30 minutes. Sprinkle the tangy coriander masala generously and enjoy.
तो आप इस रेसिपी को जरूर ट्राई कीजिए एंड इफ यू डू शेयर पिक्चर्स विद मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड टैग बोल्ड बेकिंग नेशन. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. टिल देन, बेक बोल्ड एंड लिव स्वीट.